Welcome to the second part of direct and indirect speech. So previously we have discussed 4 steps, right? This is the fifth and 2 more are left, 6th and 7th. So here in this video we are going to discuss about past continuous, right? So what is the form of that? I was reading or they were reading, isn't it? So was or were plus V4. And in this case, if the reporting verb is V2, we have to change the past continuous into past perfect continuous, had been before. Okay, I was writing, so I had been writing, it will be considered. So just you see an example. He said, so it's V2, right? I was reading a book. Okay, so this is the direct speech. So while changing you as per our table, so he said that he, I will change he, then was reading will change to had been reading a book, right? He had been reading a book. So another example for your practice section I am giving. He said we were dancing. So here you see where, right? We are dancing. So what kind of changes is going to occur according to this table? You may do it and you may do the comment. The next category is future simple, right? So future simple is will, shall, be one. So I will give you an example. He said he will call Arun. Okay, so here will or shall plus V1, call is V1, right? So that's future simple. That will change if the reporting verb is V2, that will be changed into present conditional, that means would plus V1. So what kind of changes we are going to make here? Once you see, he said that, we will have, right? He said that he will be, you can write he itself. He, then will change into would call Arun. One more example. Riya said, I will teach you maths. Right? Maths. So how will you write this? Riya said that I will change into she would teach you itself, because there is no specification about that you maths. Okay, so I think this is easy for you. Once again you see will or shall plus V1, that means simple future will change into would plus V1. There is no change, only would will be replaced by using would. This is the only change to be made here. So please take care of this area. Now let's deal about future continuous tense. Okay, so if the reporting verb is V2, future continuous will be changed into conditional continuous, right? So here let me write an example. He said I will be traveling abroad. Okay, he said I will be traveling abroad. So here reporting verb is V2, so you have to follow this tabular form, right? So here you see will, shall, be plus V4, would be plus V4. That means here you see this area, B plus V4 is retained here, right? That means here also V plus V4 and here also V4 plus V4. What is the only change occurs is will or shall will be changed into would, right? So only this area can be changed. So once again you see, he said that, okay, I will change into he. Then will change into would. Then B would be before traveling abroad. Okay, so this is the change. So he said I will be traveling abroad. He said that he would be traveling abroad. So this is the only change. And now what you are supposed to do is take out maximum examples from your textbooks or your material and all, or from internet also you can use, and try to solve maximum examples and try to master this area. And keep in mind that whenever you are doing a question, first of all you have to find out this area, direct speech part, which tense is given, will or shall plus be, so which tense is that. So identify that and accordingly you may make the change here, only if the reporting verb is V2. If the reporting verb is V1, he said that he said I will be traveling abroad. Then so since he says, think that this exam question is he says. Okay, that means V5, that means present tense. Then there is no change of this area. So he says that he will be traveling abroad. That will be the answer. If this area is V5, he says. Okay, if it is V2, then only we are supposed to change it in the same way. Or otherwise there is no change at all to the tense of this area. This you must keep in your mind and keep going on, keep studying, keep doing maximum examples related to this kind of examples, and I am sure that it will be very easy for you people. And if you have any kind of comments or suggestion or something like that, please drop it in the comment box. Have a great learning.